All right. Okay. So I filled out the pre-market description and so yeah, let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday I had a fairly really good day. Yesterday I had made over $1,000. So, oops, wrong button. So show trades apply. That's going to take a second for it to load. Take that out. There we go. So why is it not? Shush, shush, shush. Okay, there we go. So where? So yesterday I went in and out of this more than I was wanting to, but you can see I started shorting it over here. Think I gave back a little bit through here, kind of made it back up over here, and I think I switched long right here. But I got pushed out, kind of. Yeah, so I went long right here. Uh, Kind of had a really tight stop loss because I was concerned that it was going to go down. And then right here, I was long as well. So I got out on the same, 5-minute candle here. Should have had a little bit of a wider stop loss, but you can see I was in with 700 shares. So I was hoping for like a quick push up, coming up into somewhere up here. And then I was looking for the crash back down. That didn't quite happen. And in the afternoon, I had to take off. I had a doctor's appointment I had to get to. So that was Amazon. I'm just going to go ahead and throw this back over here like that. Now let's pop over to Tesla. Boy, I got a lot of things showing up on Tesla almost every day. And not too much there. But anyway, so over here, took a lot of longs right here early on in the day. Made really... what are you doing? Made a lot of money right here early on in the beginning. No, don't eat that. Come here. There you go. So I made a lot of money right here, and then I took some trades right over here after the pull back. Then I left for my doctor's appointment. And then over here, I think I went, I went short right over here. Didn't really make a whole lot, but did, catch up and make a new high. No, I did not make a new high. So, but I was like $70, $60 short from my previous HOD because I gave some back. But right here got me back to 16 below my HOD. So, I was slightly low where I could have been. But ultimately, I think yesterday played out really quite well. There was a few other trades I did, but none of them were really all that big. I did a PLTR and a little bit of Apple, like 1,000 shares of Apple. Um, Looks like I'm sending data again. Yeah, all right. Looks like we're back live. Okay, cool. That was fun. Not really. Anyway, so I was really bullish over here on Tesla, as you guys saw, and then I did a little bit of a play right here and then a little bit over here. Today, I think I'm going to be bullish again, but we are getting close to an area where it was having trouble with before. So, I'm going to be a little bit cautious, as we move up closer to the 250 mark. I think we could run into some problems. So I'm going to be paying attention for that. That's a concerned area. Um, then Apple. I was actually expecting Apple to be climbing up more, but that's where it took a little bit of money. Thankfully, I didn't take a whole lot of shares. Yeah, total of the day was 1,000 shares on Apple, but that was not like all at once. So I was playing a lot of like stop and go. So, it was triggering me out kind of early, kind of quick, and that's fine. Amazon, we took that short over here. I did not get it first thing over here. I think I'm going to be watching Amazon going to open today. I think the 144 is going to be an area of heavy resistance. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on Amazon at the 144, and I might try to jump on its way down. Sizing, I'm not sure yet, but I'm expecting a potential drop here on Amazon kind of early on. Intel, I think it's going to be running into some problems. I'm not sure when though, but with Snapdragon coming out with their own laptop chip now, the ARM doing the same thing like Apple did with the Apple Silicon, and we've seen how the M2 from the M1, M2, M3, how much of a powerhouse the ARM chips really can be. So Intel, I think, is sleeping on the ARM chips in the development of the ARM chips. So I'm going to be kind of paying attention here. I'm looking for a pullback. They did get a little bit of a push. I haven't really looked through any news, but they had a little bit of a push for the like several days. We do have a little bit of a pullback from yesterday, and I'm going to see if this continues. I might enter in a short. I think it's kind of elevated right now. Microsoft is, man, I don't know. I kind of wanna short it, but I did that yesterday and Monday. No, I did not take any trades on Microsoft yesterday, but I did try to short it, I believe, Monday. I'd have to look at my live stream. I don't remember if I was shorting it or if I was trying to go long in it. What are you doing? Aye, girl. Come here. Toy. Lay down. I'm gonna have to get like some bitter tasting soap or something to put on my damn socks. Socks and shoes. I need to break her of that habit quick. Alright, anyway. So Microsoft was not performing the way I needed it. I was short. I went. No, was it long? I don't remember. I'd have to look at my Monday play. I don't remember if I went long or short in it. Either way, I lost money on it. Not a whole lot. It was like only $100 or whatever. But still, that's $100. So there's some things here. I think it's top heavy. I think a drop is kind of likely, but it doesn't feel like it wants to drop yet. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on it and seeing when this thing wants to go. This room here is not puppy proof. I need to get her a dog crate or something, but she's just too cute. All right. So Microsoft, I don't know if I would want to go long in it. If I did go long, I would do it as a stop and go only, and I would be kind of choking up on the price action once it kind of broke into the green. If I went long, if I went short, I might give it a little bit of room, more so than I would on a long trade. But kind of torn a little bit on Microsoft, but it's setting up for something. PLTR, I'm thinking of a short. A friend of mine, we all know him as Obsidian. He went long in it, and he got beat up in it yesterday. So I feel bad for him, but I feel like it's a short at this point. I don't know where I would want to short it. Maybe coming back down towards 20 and breaking through it, which we're not really all that far off, but I'm going to start off with small sizing and allow it to kind of work and do its own thing. I don't want to find myself in a situation where I'm getting chewed up bad on it. Shop, I'm going to start looking at a short on this one again. It's getting really close to being up here at the top where it broke before. So I should have shop somewhere up here. Yeah, I do. So I got shop on my day sheet. I'm going to be looking for a short. I don't know when it will come in, but I'm pretty sure once it starts to come in, it's going to be pretty darn ugly. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. Rivian and knee. Well, I guess I missed out on Rivian. Rivian, there was your good short right there at 10 o'clock. So we might watch Rivian a little bit. I also got, I'll put Rivian right here. We also have Uber up here. I don't have it on the quick sheet here. Uber, I think, might be a short. But we are coming into the holiday season where Uber can definitely see a lot of, a good earnings call too. Especially with everybody traveling. This. Where's your toy? Ah! She's an adorable pain in the butt, I'll tell you. Okay. I definitely need to get her a dog crate so I can put her up when she wants to be a little misbehaving, mischievous. And I was already trying to exercise her today, but she wasn't really wanting to exercise and try to get out some of this pent-up energy. She just wanted to kind of be lazy, and now she wants to be very active. It's like, girl, come on now. You got to work with me. If you want to be super active, we can do that, but we need to do it when I'm not trying to get ready to go to work. Hi. So I'm playing with a little toy with her right now, so hopefully I can still do what I need to do. Kind of. Anyway, so Uber I'm thinking is going to be a short. I don't know when or where, but I'm going to be keeping an eye on it. DY was also another one I kind of had on here. It kind of got way elevated here. So I'm thinking we could see a short coming in on this one. Especially with yesterday not gaining a whole lot of ground. So I think we're definitely going to see a little bit of a pullback at some point. I'm not sure when. PXD is also now dropping hard. So we might be looking at PXD going down towards 230. Okay. So PXD below 230, I might start to get kind of interested in it. Now, PXD might be one of those where I have to try to buy in, and then I'm holding it for a day or two. Because, I mean, you can get a really good price move, but, I mean, the best move really takes a couple days for it to fully form out, either on the upside or downside. So we might try to keep an eye on this one, but I'm not super hot on it because I don't want to be holding into stocks. Not particularly, but PXD is looking kind of interesting. Let's pull this screen over. So this is where I saw PXD. There's PLTR. XOM I'm not going to do anything with. Queen and Spy are climbing. Here's my tech businesses right here. I've shopped. Cars, car, shipping, or not really shipping. It's shipping people, but it still ships. But anyway, Carnival. I haven't done anything with Carnival in a while. I don't even know why I have that on my long sheet, but I do. She is playing with a soda bottle. Whatever floats her boat. I got her toys, but she wants this soda bottle. Amazon is definitely looking. Amazon's looking good for a short today. Yeah. 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 Stop. Hi. Puppy. We got 14 minutes till market open. It's not terrible. All right, cool. We can work with that. We'll pop over to this page. Let's get a market map refreshed going. Energy is taking a hit, looks like, and farm and heavy equipment, industrials. Everything else is looking kind of green. Nothing too much right here is popping off at me as super like big. So we'll just go pop it back over here. And I'm gonna pop off real quick. I'm gonna go stretch my legs, go to the bathroom real quick, and try to get her to go for a quick walk. Like to the bathroom and back, not far. And then that should give us the few minutes till market opens. You know, I'm pretty much ready. We haven't really changed a whole lot in our general stocks that we're monitoring, which makes trading actually quite easy in the morning. You know, we're just, rechecking up what happened the day before and, reevaluating our thought process. We haven't held anything over, and I don't think I'm going to yet either. I'm not seeing the trade patterns that I really kind of want to see for a hold over into the following day. Although could have right over here. Definitely could have. But anyway, Tesla is it's jumping up and down quite a bit in pre-market and during the market. It's a little worrisome, especially being close to the top right here. So we'll see. All right, I'll be right back. Give me like a few minutes. Or just fast forward when you see me pop back up. If you're watching the end recording of this. See if I can get her to lay down. All right. I didn't even put my I'll be right back button up. Oh well. I just need to make a I'll be back button on my OBS here. All right. So I think I am pretty much ready. Apple is going up. So here's the thing with Apple. It's kind of trading on a small range right now. Not getting any real good plays. And so yeah. So we'll Alright, she's kind of pooped now. So I'm not gonna say her name. I want her to stay laying down for a little while. Alright. Alright, yeah, I was just saying that tomorrow the market won't be open. It looks like some of the market might be open, but I'm not going to be trading tomorrow. That's going to be a no-go. So then I'll see you guys, of course, Friday. Hey, good morning, Butch. How you doing? I think I might have, I think they might have already left my stream here. 8:21. 5 minutes ago. I try to stay on top of that. If I didn't say hi to you, I'm sorry, my bad. And I am doing all right. Just went through my whole pre-market. Sat down actually a little early at the computer today. Not by a whole lot, but I already got a few things I'm kind of looking at, trying to figure out. That's a kind of big pop on Amazon right there, but I'm still feeling very bearish on it. I probably wouldn't feel any different unless it starts to break over the 145. Still don't know what stock I want to watch going into open. I'm just trying to figure that out still. But we're definitely going to be got a few things we're looking at here. But that's a lot of buying right there. A lot of selling right there. Looks like it's going to go through a little bit of a bull rush going to open. It's definitely going to probably break the top VWAP. So, alright. That was not expecting. That I kind of was. That pushed down right there. Kind of expected that. But Amazon is going through a really bullish play right here. There's the break above. I kind of figured that. Because the spread was just starting to get kind of wide. As the spread gets closer now, we'll see what happens. I think it's going to go... I would think it's going to start to get pushed back down. But that's a lot of buying right there. I don't see any recent news on it. And so I don't know what caused that move. Actually, we'll keep it at 200 to start. I might switch it back down to 100. Alright, Num Num is sleeping. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Man, I've been absolutely killing this loose tea leaf thing. I'm loving it. Now today I am kind of planning a little bit of a short day. A little bit. Definitely hit my weekly target. That's... I don't think that's going to last. Amazon is just being very bullish. So is Apple. We might actually be going into a bullish market now. That's what I'm curious about. So I'm putting in insurance right here. I don't have that many shares, but we're just going to let it go. See where it wants to go. So, I mean, it's sitting up at top of VWAP. So it's definitely sitting higher than I would generally expect. I mean, I don't have any reason to move my stop loss yet. You know, I'm in a win-win situation. I can't lose. Tesla dropped. That's a heavy drop on Tesla. Okay, well, there's 200. So I could definitely change my color, because I'm not gonna go red today. Red is not gonna happen. Not right now, anyway. That's a pretty elevated run. So we're gonna go right here. We're gonna give it a 30-cent room. Yeah, buddy. I don't want to really start choking up on it yet, but I don't really want to buy more. Now I really kind of wish I went with full sizing early on, but yeah, I mean, I still can't complain about these numbers here. We're going to bring in our insurance up a little bit better. Because, we're sitting near the new dollar. That could be an area of resistance. So, I mean, we're just going to lock in that profit. And today might be a very, very short day. Yeah, I'm choking up on it just a little bit here. Just because it's starting to lose a little bit of steam. So if it wants to shoot down, I just want to lock in this profit. I'm still going to try to give it a little bit of room to let it do its thing. We want it to go up still. We don't need to move it yet. We'll leave it right there. Really, really nice play right here. And we're probably going to get triggered right around here. 247. We're not. I am choking up on it some because we are getting a little bit of a slower growth here. Volume is starting to die off a little bit. And I really like the profit margin that I'm at. And you know what? I actually thought Amazon was a short, but that definitely was not. It's extremely cold there, GTA. And hello, how are you doing today? So yesterday I actually had $1,000 day. Today I am looking like 400 something. We're gonna bring this to the bottom of that candle. I'm choking up on this a little bit because, dude, I got in on this actually at a really good area, and It's starting to slow down just a little bit here. And I kind of want a short day. I mean, this is a fantastic way to have a short day. We could just leave it right here. I got no rush or anything right here. It could break up. It could go down some. Doesn't matter. We'll see what it wants to do. We're going to hover over this flatten button. And where are you at right now, GTA? And we're going to flatten probably. Where do we flatten, guys? Do we just wait? I don't really need to flatten. Okay, well, we didn't flatten. Just got off driving home in your PV. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So you're getting home for Thanksgiving. That's the best thing, dude. You know, if you're stuck out on the road during like a holiday like that, that really, really burns. We're gonna come up here where it was fighting. So we're choking up on this quite a bit, but we don't want to be too close to the action. We want this to try to get a little bit of time to grow. And we're out. 445. Boom. That was not a bad play. And I am definitely a little bit more green than that. And why is it out of focus? Um, Let me try to wipe you all down. You know, that's a little bit better. I think it's just because I got a lot of light behind me right now. So sorry about that little fuzziness kind of going on. Camera can't get a good focus on me. So where is this gonna go? So we'll double the size for right this second. Okay, how do you like the LTL? Ooh, fuck. I can't stay in past that. I didn't want to stay in that long. Fucking A, man. Of course it goes down. All right, I gotta step away for a second. All right, that was just ugly, man. I'm choking up on it. I'm just not happy with the way that trade originally went. Now I lost everything and then I just gained it all back. That's not. So I'm at 85 above new high. 530. Holy crap. God, that was a wow. God, that was crazy. That was crazy. Oh, when I tell you I was sick, I was sick. My head is hurting too. So I could have made an extra 400 on top of what I just made. So I could have been at 900, almost another $1,000 day. Oh man, I got lucky. I got lucky right there. I don't like to play lucky like that. I got lucky like that. So this took a lot of my money. I'm playing safe. 100 shares. I was actually hoping that was going to go, but, you know, whatever. So I got a new swing low. I got 85 above. Now I got a new swing low. So I'm now 28 above the last HOD. Um, on the month, I'm doing pretty good. On the month, I'm doing pretty good. I don't think this is going to stay up. It's just a matter of trying to gauge exactly where it's going to start to go back down. Once I figure out where that could be, I would want to do a stop and go only, though. I need to come up with 28 plus to get back to a new HOD. Excuse me. So that's what I'm trying to pay attention for. Amazon is trading not in the directions that I would want it to right this second, so I'm just kind of like waiting on that. Microsoft is actually not doing terrible, but I don't want to trade that. Not where it's at. And Microsoft was thinking more of a short. Stop and go right here. So I'm at a new HOD. Not by much if this triggers. I need 28 to be at a new HOD. I'm above that now. I'm going to choke this up a little bit more. We'll say right there. We're going to see if this continues for us here. Going back down towards the bottom. I already kind of knew that this wasn't going to stay up. But I don't know where it's going to try to find strength again. I was just about ready to hit that, and I might still flatten it. I'm at new HOD whenever this trade closes now. So I'm moving in the right direction. We're going to let that start to form. Got another 100. We'll go right here. Is this going to continue to work for us? Looks like it. Drag this down a little bit more. And We're not going to flatten it yet. Perfect. Perfecto. Bring that down just a little bit. We're going to continue watching. Tesla's or Amazon's going down, Apple's going down, Microsoft is going down. So this is going to go down more. Or that's the idea. Unless it triggers. We're definitely getting to new HOD levels here. Now I kind of wish I went with full sizing like I did earlier, but it was just not working very well. And you know, like I said earlier, I'm looking for a short day. I have other things I need to go do. So boom, done right there. We're up here now. Definitely at new, really good levels here. Another 200 down. This is not going to keep dropping like this. So looking to choke up on this. I say that, but I don't know where it's going to stop at. If we get another 400 on just 100 share, dude, that's a great risk reward analysis right here. Now, I did take a really bad play. We're out. So we gave back a little bit right there on the top. But we hit a whole new 1,000 mark on the account. So we just came up a 0.8% on the account. We came up 2.6 on the day. Yesterday was 3.8. We are definitely hitting good numbers in the last few days. The last few days have been fantastic numbers. Microsoft is tanking. This is what I thought I was going to do the other day, but it didn't work for us. It just didn't want to do it. Look at a 300. Can we grab a quick down pressure move and then lock in a free trade and then call it a day? That's going to be the idea. This is stop and go only. So we got triggered early. That's fine. We'll wait up. See, glad that we had that in there. It did break above. With that 300 share sizing, that could have gotten kind of ugly kind of quick, but we only profited a little bit from previous high. So that's fine. Like 15 bucks. But we're not going to give money back, especially with this 300. Actually, upgrade it to 4. I'm looking for a solid stop and go type play right here. Especially with spy and queen shooting down. I think we're going to see a little bit of strength here, and then it's going to start to tank down. Definitely a little nerve-wracking, though. Definitely a little nerve-wracking. But we're already sitting at a $770 profit. So honestly, we come up just a few more dollars, we'll have the lucky sevens. Right here. Stop and go. Only. Rack in that money. Move it down. Safety nets. All right. Hit another new high. 143. So that play just gave us another. I don't even know how much that play just gave me. Um, it just gave me money. I'm not even sure how much now. The last recorded high, we're 73 from. So I guess that gave me 73. That was the last recorded high. That's probably right. So I'm now at some pretty good points here. $841 profit today on Amazon and Tesla. Bullish on Tesla. I mean, bullish on Amazon, bearish on Tesla. And I don't think that's going to change. Can we get another quick run on this? If I hit another 1,000 today, that would be fucking awesome. Stop and go. Give it a little bit of room. It's going to want to fight. I mean, I can't lose at this point. I'm at a win-win freaking win, no matter how I want to look at it. I'm in for 400 shares too. Awesome. You know, when you're waiting for the right moves, this becomes much easier and a lot less stressful. Although this morning was a bit stressful. We're going to choke up on it. It could fight a little bit around here. But with the how much it's falling, it could fall drastically here. So we're going to slow down on chasing it now. We got plenty of room. Okay, maybe I should have chased it just a little bit. But we just hit above $1,000 day. We made more than what we'd made yesterday. The market is just absolutely killing it for us today. So that was just another $405. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't need to worry about it. But I didn't want to give any money back. I just made another, I don't know. But I've had $2,000. So Monday was 600, Tuesday was 1,000, today is 1,002, 1,200 bucks. So, holy shit, dude. Stop and go. Oh, give it a little bit of room. All right, we're done. We're we're done with today. So I just gave back $220. So it's $1,000 day. Fucking A. It feels like it wants to go, but I already gave back 200 something. I don't even know how much I need to come up now. 400. Okay, 5. Fucking A, man. I'm down 284. Now 400. I'm over trading now. I'm over trading. I'm gonna try to get out of this trade and then that's it. I'm done. I'm down 300. So I'm still up 900. I was just trying to go for a big win here. And I was just getting my butt chewed up. I just started to way over trade here. For me to be able to make good money, I would have to hit another. I would have to sell up here and then break below 24 or 34 for me to even get back to HOD levels. Which is possible. I was just getting damn nickel and dimed here. Really sucks, but I'm still way up. I'm up 900. So I mean, I can't. I don't know why I just did that. All right, so I'm a smidge better. I'm down a point. I need to. I think it's getting ready to go though. So we're gonna watch it a little bit longer. We got another candle coming up soon. I think it's getting close. Spy and Queen are still not doing good, so we need to come up almost 300. Son of a bitch, man. And now I'm just getting frustrated, which is not the way to be trading. Okay, I'll take that. All right. I'm just I know what I should do. I'm just not doing it. All right, I'm out. I'm done. I can't. It wants to go down. It has to go down. No, I'm just upset. I overtraded. I knew I was overtrading. I took a really good day and made it into a okay-ish whatever fucking day. I'm out.